Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Adding a new key value pair to a dictionary in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Dictionaries in Python are versatile data structures that allow you to store and retrieve key value pairs efficiently. If you need to add a new key value pair to a dictionary, Python provides a simple and straightforward syntax. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of adding a new key value pair to a dictionary with detailed explanations and examples. Step 1. Creating a dictionary. Before we can add a new key value pair, let's start by creating a dictionary. In Python, dictionaries are defined using curly braces. Step 2. Adding a new key value pair. To add a new key value pair to the dictionary, simply use the following syntax. In this example, we added a new key value pair with the key occupation and the value engineer. The dictionary is updated, and the result is printed. Step 3. Adding multiple key value pairs. You can also add multiple key value pairs at once by using the same syntax with different keys and values. Here, we used the update method to add two new key value pairs to the dictionary, hobbies and education. The hobbies key has a list of hobbies as its value, and the education key has a string value. Conclusion. Adding a new key value pair to a dictionary in Python is a simple process that involves using the key assignment or the update method. This tutorial provided you with a step-by-step guide and code examples to help you understand how to perform this operation effectively. Dictionaries are powerful data structures, and mastering their manipulation is crucial for efficient Python programming. ChatGPT.